Have you ever wondered why some people's indoor plants grow huge, lush, and beautiful, while yours barely survives? The secret isn't expensive fertilizers or complicated techniques. It's about giving your plants exactly what they need at the right time. Today, I'll reveal 7 simple secrets that can make your indoor plants grow faster, healthier, and greener than ever before. From better lighting to hidden growth boosters, these tips can transform your home jungle. Secret number 1. Give your plants the perfect light. Light is the energy source that powers every plant. Many indoor plants grow slowly because they don't receive enough light. Place your plants near bright windows where they can get plenty of indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun that can burn leaves. Rotate your plants every few weeks so every side receives equal light and grows evenly. If your home has low light, consider using a grow light to provide the missing energy. The right amount of light can turn weak, slow-growing plants into strong, vibrant greenery. Secret number 2. Master the right watering routine. Overwatering is one of the biggest reasons indoor plants stop growing. Healthy roots need both water and oxygen. Before watering, check the top layer of soil with your finger. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it's still moist, wait a few days. Always use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Remember, different plants have different needs. Snake plants and ZZ plants prefer drier soil, while peace lilies and ferns enjoy more moisture. Proper watering encourages stronger roots and faster growth. Secret number 3. Feed your plants natural nutrients. Just like humans need food, plants need nutrients to grow bigger. Indoor plants can quickly use up nutrients in their pots. Add a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season to support new leaves and stronger roots. Natural options like compost, worm castings, or diluted organic plant food can also improve soil quality. Avoid adding too much fertilizer because it can damage roots. A small amount of the right nutrients regularly can create thicker stems, greener leaves, and faster growth. Secret number 4. Use the right soil mix. Healthy growth starts underground. Compact, heavy soil can trap water and prevent roots from breathing. Create a light, airy soil mix by combining quality potting soil with materials like perlite, coco coir, or orchid bark. This improves drainage while allowing roots to spread easily. Strong roots mean stronger leaves and faster growth above the soil. Every indoor plant has different soil preferences, so choosing the right mix is one of the biggest secrets to growing beautiful houseplants. Secret number 5. Increase humidity for tropical plants. Many popular indoor plants come from tropical environments where the air is naturally humid. Dry indoor air can slow growth and cause brown leaf edges. Increase humidity by grouping plants together, placing a water tray with pebbles nearby, or using a humidifier. Plants like Monstera Calathea, peace lily, and ferns especially love extra moisture in the air. When humidity levels improve, leaves often become larger, healthier, and more colorful. Secret number 6. Prune and clean your plants regularly. Removing damaged leaves helps your plant focus energy on healthy new growth. Trim yellow, dead, or unhealthy leaves with clean scissors. Also, gently wipe dust from large leaves because dirty leaves block sunlight and reduce photosynthesis. Pruning can encourage bushier growth, especially for plants like Pothos, Philodendron, and fiddle leaf fig. A little maintenance can make your indoor plants look fuller and grow much faster. Secret number 7. Repot when your plant needs more space. A plant growing slowly may simply be trapped in a small pot. When roots become crowded, they struggle to absorb water and nutrients. Signs your plant needs repotting include roots coming out of drainage holes, soil drying very quickly, or growth slowing down. Move your plant into a slightly larger pot with fresh soil. Giving roots more room allows them to expand, absorb nutrients better, and support bigger, healthier leaves. Growing amazing indoor plants doesn't require magic. It requires understanding what your plants need. By improving light, watering correctly, feeding nutrients, using better soil, increasing humidity, pruning regularly, and giving roots enough space. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing indoor plant tips and natural gardening secrets. You can create a healthier indoor garden faster than you imagined. Start using these secrets today, and your plants may reward you with bigger leaves, stronger growth, and a greener home.